Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2014 Kawasaki EX300R Ninja. This bike's got just a little over 14,500 miles on it. It's still in excellent condition. It's got a couple of little minor scuffs on it, but doesn't really show any tip over or down damage. So let's take a walk around it. I'll show you a few things and then we'll fire it up. Like I said, this bike's got a few miles on it, under 15,000, but it's been very well taken care of. It's got a new set of tires on it. It's got a new front. The only reason why this bike isn't in mint condition is we found a few little minor scuffs like this on the gas tank, some on this side, a couple on the other side. So I'll show you the tank again when I get around on that side. One of the aftermarket accessories on it is this modified shorty exhaust. It's also got a fender eliminator on it. As you can tell, it's got a new back tire on it as well. The other aftermarket accessory it comes with is a tank pad. Well, you can see up here a few more little tiny scuffs, but like I said, very light cosmetic. Maybe somebody good with a buffer might be able to take most of it out, if not all of it. Like I said, overall a very, very clean 300. Show you the miles now. 14,661 is what's on it. Little nick in the decal right there, I just noticed. This EX300 has been through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, labor, and your accessories. Thank you for shopping. SimplyStreetBikes.com.